Hello, fellow plant enthusiasts. So today I received a package that I purchased off eBay of 10 Sefrawi fig cuttings from a seller named Cyanotype World out in Arizona. Now, I was a little disappointed that it was shipped too late, that it came after the estimated arrival date by a couple days, but it seems to have worked out for me because today would have been an optimal day to plant them anyway. So let's go ahead and check out these fig cuttings. It's interesting to see how different people package their figs. So for those of you who don't know, the Sefrawi is a Syrian fig, a yellow fig from northwest Syria, and it seems to be a popular variety from Syria. So they have this wrapped in saran wrap, which is decent, and it's wrapped tightly, which is one way a lot of people recommend, but there are differing opinions on how to package and store figs. So, looking at this, some people don't like saran wrap because it's really hard to unwrap. Others don't mind it, so it's just a matter of preference. So these are nice thick branches. Oh look, even some nodes. So let's see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So he actually gave me 2 more. And as you can see, the top part is cut flat, the bottom part is at an angle. Same thing here. So you want to make sure you find the angled cuts, although some of them aren't as apparent. So when you look at these, you see here's where a leaf was, so then here's a branch coming up. So you want to make sure that the branches are going up so you know how to orient them. And I'm going to make sure these are all oriented in the right fashion before planting, because not all of these are angle cut like this one. So you can see that's oriented up and everything, so that's that way. That's an interesting piece. That's the upside. And this one, same thing. So at least he put them all in the right orientation. So now to plant these, I can simply take a container that I can seal them in with a clear lid. And these pots are a little small for some of these larger ones, but I can put them in bigger pots, and I just stick them in here and then I'll water and I will be good to go. So once these sprout, I can always transplant them into a larger pot. And so, but here they'll get good humidity. They'll stay moist without the cuttings drying out, and you can plant them any time of year. Sometimes though, if you take them when they're fully dormant, they could take a little longer to sprout, or grow, at least in my opinion. But it could also be contingent on the variety of figs, because I received some fig cuttings back in December up in New Jersey, and they were essentially a variety of Italian figs that's on my cousin's husband's side of the family, and they took forever to start to produce new leaves, whereas if you look over here on the 3 cuttings of white Adriatic, they've done really well. And then I have, not over there, but over here, well, I do have some there, but not as apparent. Over here, like I have a few, I removed one that died, but these were planted maybe a week or 2 before the white Adriatic, and they're not as big because different figs may have like different growth rates or based on their level of dormancy. So that's all there is to it. I can fill this up, water these, and hopefully I'll have 12 new figs of the Sefrawi kind. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and happy planting.